Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for twin flames and soulmates that are in separation and no contact at all. I do have another playlist for twin flames and soulmates that are in contact, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That is the energy that I channel. So if you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. This reading is not gender specific. It is a timeless reading and it's only your energies. If you want to know what's happening with your person, you will have to watch their signs. And remember to like, share and subscribe for me. And check the description box below for information on my private services. My details are below, my WhatsApp number and my email address. And I have put out specials, big specials on my Facebook and Instagram. My links are below. You can find them there. Or just contact me to help you. Then we can discuss what's available. Alright, let's take a look and see what's happening, Sagittarius. Very powerful energy that is coming through for you, Sagittarius. It's very powerful reading for you. Okay, first card that came out was the Empress. And the Empress has embodied all the other queens, and she's reached perfection within herself. She's strong, she's a mother, she's a lover, she's just everything. Very stable in her emotions, she's abundant, and she's a brilliant communicator. And this card is about fertility and it's about rebirth. And this is definitely what I feel for you is rebirth. Most definitely, I felt you've been reborn with this Empress today. And for some, there might be a pregnancy. You might be pregnant, but for the most, I feel this is you being reborn, Sagittarius. You've gone through a rebirth, a very powerful rebirth. You've come into a very evolved and mature energy within yourself. You have been, and I say have been, because I feel it's a passing energy. It's not in your mind energy at the moment. You've been very burdened by this twin flame or soulmate connection of yours. You've been carrying very heavily, been pushing forward, and kind of didn't know where this was going, but you kept on going. And during this time of separation, this is when all this rebirth happened for you. You grow, you've grown, and you've gone through a lot of healing and maturity in yourself. And I feel like you've really stepped into that divine feminine, full divine feminine energies with that Empress. So as I said, this is a passing energy. You have been burdened by this connection before. You have been left out in the cold, been crippled by this connection. And again, this is a passing energy. It's an energy that is already gone. I don't feel it in your reading. Okay, so you've been left out in the cold, you've been crippled by this connection, you've been praying for help, you've been trying to heal, but you held on very tightly. You held on very tight. You can see this man, how tightly he's holding on to that baby over there, even though he's crippled and he can't move, and he's sitting in front of the church and he's just praying for help. He can't reach his crutch over there to get up. So you've been going through a very difficult time in regards to this connection. And there most probably, either on your side or your person's side, there may have been a third-party situation. Now, that could be romantic, but that could also be any other situation outside of this connection that was interfering. So there was a third-party situation as well going on in this connection. And those are all that was. And during that time, you stepped into this Empress energy. Now, the Empress doesn't chase. She sits pretty. She waits for things to come to her. She knows her worth. And this is where you are. And as you were going into this, or as you stepped into this energy of the Empress, you also stepped into the energies of the Emperor. Now, this is very powerful, Sagittarius, because the Emperor is the divine masculine, fully awakened divine masculine. who has embodied all the other kings, and he does not only take care of small little groups or one person or two, he takes care of nations. He's a brilliant teacher, he's a brilliant communicator, he's a exceptional provider. He creates abundance. Whatever he touches turns to gold. He knows how to give and receive love. He leads from his heart, but he also knows how to use his intellect. So the Emperor is about control. I feel that control coming from this card. So you have not only embodied the Empress energies, the feminine energies, but also the masculine energies. And I feel like it came to a point of a perfect balance within yourself, the masculine and the feminine energies. So this, to me, you are in separation and no communication with your twin flame or soulmate. Guys, so this is not in your connection happening. This is happening within you. And this is our divine feminine and our divine masculine, fully matured and in union. So this union happened within yourself. And that is what we need to do. That is exactly what needs to happen before we can have that in our outer world. If you are on a soul journey with someone, whether that is twin flame or soulmate, there is a maturity and a union within yourself that you need to reach first before you can actually manifest that harmonious, beautiful soul connection on the outside. That is really, really going to grow and expand and give you everything that you could possibly imagine. And this union happened within yourself here, Sagittarius. This is absolutely beautiful. And now you are ready. Now you are ready to celebrate. But not only coming into union with your twin flame or soulmate, you are ready to celebrate life. You are celebrating yourself. You are in union with yourself with this card. And this is a beautiful, beautiful energy that I feel for you. So this union here has happened within yourself. It's not yet showing up in your reality here for me, but this is most definitely going to very soon. It's about to happen for you, Sagittarius, because you've created and you've manifested and you've worked on this union within yourself. And if there is any third-party situations that was a problem in this connection, that is out of the way. Okay, you've taken control of that as well with this Emperor card. You took control of that situation. You took control of everything in yourself, in your life. And you have come into union with yourself. That is what I see for you. And it was just time. It was just time. You see the hourglass there. I feel that you felt it was time and you are ready. The time is right now. I feel that the time is right now. You've gone through it all. Yeah, Sagittarius, you've gone through the forgiveness in this connection. You've gone through the learning in this connection, the parts that you played in it. You have worked through that. You've come into those realizations. You've worked on yourself. You've got everything out of the way within yourself, within your life, and you completely released the past. Now, you've released the past year of whatever was in your past. You released the past, all these burdens of this connection. You released all these emotions of feeling crippled and left out in the cold. You released everything from the past. If there was a third party on your side, you released the third party so that you can have all this perfect union, the most evolved union in your physical life with your twin flame or soulmate. You've just released it all. This is really, really great energy. And the last card that came out for you was the perfect timing. And there's again that it was time, and the time is right now for you. Sagittarius, this card says this is the right time for you to move forward, and this is what you're doing. You are moving forward now, and you will probably very soon move into physical union with your twin flame or soulmate with these energies. And yes, the time is perfect. The time is perfect for you. You've done the work. You've done the work, and you've finished what you had to finish. You released what you had to release. You healed what you needed to heal within yourself. You've gone through the forgiveness. You have really evolved in yourself into this Emperor and Empress coming to union within yourself with a perfect balance between the masculine and feminine energies. So yeah, there's nothing more for me to say. This union is already done. Well, that is all from me, Sagittarius. Remember to check the description box below for my private services and my specials on Facebook and Instagram. Just get hold of me. All my details are below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Sage.